Hello, kids! Welcome to our fun world.
One sunny morning, Sophia woke up feeling very excited.
I'm so excited!
Today we are going on a family camping trip.
Sophia helped her mom pack food, drinks, and a warm blanket.
Wow, this forest is so pretty!
It is, and look, a perfect spot for our camp.
Yes, it's lovely. Let's set up.
Together, the family set up their camping tent.
I can help.
They sat together and enjoyed a tasty picnic.
In the evening, they watched the sun slowly set behind the trees.
Camping with my family is the best adventure ever! Don't forget to subscribe and join the fun!